Hey, what is up? And today we're going to be talking about a really cool money-making method. It's one of my personal favorites. And yeah, I'm really excited to bring you guys this today. Quickly before that, guys, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing exactly how to make money online and at home, guys, without further ado, let's get into this. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in affiliate marketing. All right. And I'm sure you know what affiliate marketing is, but for those of you who don't, all right, let's just do a quick review for those people who don't know what it is, so everyone's in the same place here. So it says affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. So again, this is just basic stuff before I get into the really meat of this video, the really important, awesome stuff. But just a quick summary of this. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means that if you are an affiliate, basically you take someone else's product and sell it to customers, and you don't even have to have a product, right? You take someone else's product and sell it to customers and you get a commission. So you might get 50% of the profit that they make from that affiliate sale. So that's how that works if you didn't know what affiliate marketing was. Now for the real meat of this video, for those people who already knew all of that background information, all of that context, well, let's get it started here. So let's just X out of that tab. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in K-Money Mastery, okay? So K-Money Mastery is a Kindle money-making mastery program. So basically what it does is it teaches people how to make money through Kindle. And this guy, Stefan Palarinos, he's a pretty well-known entrepreneur online. Basically what he does is he sells this course, and it says here, let's just get rid of all these pop-ups. It says, an internet millionaire reveals his step-by-step system for earning 6 figures passive income with Kindle publishing on autopilot. It's a nice sales pitch here. And basically you're not going to buy this program, okay? Actually, if you want to, it's a great program. I recommend it, but you don't have to buy this program. That's not what this video is about. This video is about showing you how to make money with this program in a different way by selling this program to customers. So you're going to be an affiliate for this program, and the reason is because it has this insanely good sales page here. It has a sales video and all of these kinds of things here that will get customers to buy this product. So let's just scroll down here and look kind of at what you're doing. So how would you like to have these earnings in your account? Blah, blah, blah. This shows the Kindle Money Mastery program, and this is essentially a sales pitch to try to get people to buy the program, and it outlines the program modules and all of those kinds of things too. So as you can see, this is pretty awesome, right? But we're not going to go through and just, go through the entire sales page. Instead, what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the find thing, and I'm going to type in affiliate. You can see I've typed in affiliate here, and now it's going to go to every affiliate, every word on the page that matches the word affiliate. So I can click here, I'm going to press enter. It's going to go to this affiliate here, press enter again, that affiliate, and now I found it, okay? Almost every sales page that you find online has a little thing at the bottom of here, or at the bottom of the page, or somewhere around the page called affiliates. And it's usually next to these kind of things: a login, contact support, privacy policy, terms of use, these kinds of things. So if we go ahead and click affiliates here, now it's going to take us to a new page. And now you can see this is the page that actually matters to you. Okay, so it says earn easy 50% commissions promoting the #1 Kindle publishing program since 2013 and running. So as you can see, this guy's here. You can check this video out if you want to do that. And then all you have to do is literally type in your name, your email, and then whatever affiliate ID you want to create, and you can join now. It's that easy, all right? And so why promote K-Money Mastery? Why do I pick this particular program to promote? First of all, you always want to check out if a program is good or not, and I'm going to go over exactly how you do that in just a quick second. But also you want to check out the perks, the benefits of a certain program. So the benefits of this program are pretty clear here, and you can see these right here. So what are these benefits? You can earn up to 50% commission per sale. So, generating up to $184 per sale. Let's bring out the calculator real quick. So 184 times 50%, which is 0.5, is equal to $92. So you can earn up to $92 per sale. So 3 highly converting upsells, which basically make sure that you can earn a lot more money with this. Then there's this high converting sales page, which I talked about before, constantly being tested and improved. Monthly continuity upsell, get paid recurring monthly commissions. So someone might be paying $60 per month on this. You can get cool rewards and prizes, low refund rates, all of the different kind of things that can make you a lot of money. So when you get back to becoming a K-Money Mastery affiliate, high converting professionally designed grinder back, you get all these perks, and that's the point, okay? And then it shows a bunch of proof here. Do affiliates make money K-Money Mastery? Promoting K-Money Mastery? They absolutely do. It shows all of this proof here. And yeah, that's basically how it works. So all you have to do is go to this website, and I'll put a link to this in the description below. This is the affiliate page. You can also go to kmoneymastery.com and do what I did and kind of just, search for affiliates, right? And then find it at the bottom of this page here, right? If this loads. So click on affiliates and then sign up on the affiliate page. It's just glitching out. Sorry about that. Then sign up on the affiliate page with your name, your email, and your affiliate ID. And that's pretty much how easy it is to sign up. You can also sign up through ClickBank if that's what's for you. Essentially what they're going to do is they're going to give you a link, all right? They're just going to give you a link. So this link could be something as simple as HTTPS, / your link, with a bunch of numbers after it, And what you got to do is you got to copy this link, right? Command, copy, right? And then all you have to do is send this to people with, of course, following all the rules of affiliate marketing, legal issues. There are a few. You have to basically ensure that people know you're sending them an affiliate link. So you have to have some sort of disclaimer, not exactly a disclaimer, but yeah, it's pretty simple stuff. Just basically, when people click on your link though, what ends up happening is they're going to go to the affiliate, or not the affiliate page, they're going to go to the K-Money Mastery page on kmoneymastery.com. And then if they buy this product off of kmoneymastery.com, you get a commission from it. And so that's how it works, okay? So it's really, really easy to do that. And I think affiliate marketing is one of the absolute best ways to make money online. But one thing I always want to reinforce when you're thinking about making money online through affiliate marketing is how good is the product? Because a lot of products out there are actually pretty bad, okay? So people sell junk online, that's just the case, and you have to kind of do your own research to see if these products are good, to see if this is good, to see if this guy right here is legit. So I did a little research here, and you can just go to Google and search in K-Money Mastery Review, and you'll get these exact same links, okay? So this particular link, if you scroll down, let's see, they say their link review is 8 out of 10 for K-Money Mastery 2.0 and a 9 out of 10 for the full disclosure. So the recommendation is go for it. So as you can see, the doublethink gives this a really, really good review. So that's encouraging to me as an affiliate for this program. Another similar link says, usefulness is 4 out of 5, values 4 out of 5, ease of use is 5. Support's not amazing apparently, but it's most important that the product is great, that the product that you're selling is, legit. And then, we can check out another review that says, rating is 85 out of 100, recommend yes. You see what I'm saying here? Is that, these kind of outline the price, and these make it very, very transparent about what you're selling and who you're selling it to, and really is what you're selling good, or is what you're selling junk? And you need to do that kind of research for every single product you sell, because selling people junk is just not cool, So of course it's up to you to sell what you want, but I would certainly recommend selling things that you would personally use yourself to be successful. And that is my advice upon that. And you can also just go to YouTube. YouTube's an amazing place. As you see here, I just typed in K-Money Mastery 2.0 review, and you can see a bunch of people have their own opinions about this. Do your own research, check it out for yourself, and form your own opinions on this. But again, all you have to do is go to the affiliates page and become an affiliate, sign up, get the link. Again, if you guys have a ClickBank account, that's probably better, because ClickBank is a surefire way to get your own affiliate link. So you can go to clickbank.com, sign up, and then K Money Mastery will be in the marketplace for ClickBank. So you can find it there. You can also just find the affiliate page for K Money Mastery program, like I talked about in this video. And again, all you have to do is promote it to people. If you have an email list, if you have, lots of people who are interested in money making. The best part about promoting these kind of products, these money making products, is that everybody's interested in increasing their income, having a side income, things like that. So you can literally show this to anyone. And if they use your link to buy the product, you get paid for it. And you can even be paid on a monthly basis. Okay, so yeah, so that monthly continuity upsell is a potential there for you. So it's like, yeah, that's how it works. So that's pretty much all I have to say. I'll go ahead and put this link in the description, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got something useful out of it. Go ahead and be a star affiliate marketer. That's what I recommend you do. I love affiliate marketing. It's one of my absolute favorite ways to earn money online. And yeah, that's what I've got to say. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys learned something, and I will see you guys next time.